It's bad. It's shaking heavily, and this would cause a big alignment to the tire. Hello guys, here we are. We are checking a camber. This is a camber, okay, and this is a camber bushing. This is a control arm for camber. So how do you tell that your control arm is bad? First, when driving, you will notice that sometimes if you hold your brake, if you depress the brake pedal, it will shake like this, and then sometimes it might wave to the right. Okay, so I just lose the tire and shaked. Can see what we got there. It's bad. It's shaking heavily, and this would cause a big alignment to the tire. Let's check out the tire. It will cause the tire to get weird. So look closely, you can see that it's wearing, and it will be wearing sided because we have a bad control arm. This guy is responsible for balancing the tire to go straight. So in as much as the control arm is bad, it will be going one-sided. You can see. Watch closely and you see what's happening there. So what we are doing now is we are going to change the control arm, only this. So to bring out the control arm, we have to first of all loosen the tie rod. We lose the nut over here. This is the bow joint. We are going to lose the bow joint. Then we are going to remove the seating. This is the engine seating. There's a nut over there. We have one over here, this, and this over there. After removing, then we are now going to loosen this boot. So after that, then before we can now get to where the control arm is, this is 22mm boot. So after that, then we can now bring out. So let's dive in. First, I will loosen this as I said. So we are done with this. Let's head over to this over here. So if it's turning, apply this to this area and you lose. Easy. 17 millimeter socket. After successful losing, then you are going to place the jack at this bottom. Then you lift in order to remove the sitting over here. Doing something like this would help you not to burst the button plate. You know, this place is as soft as heart. Okay, so you do something like this. Then once you jack, it won't compress. It won't compress this area to affect the oil filter inside the bottom plate. So I'm gonna jack. Then after that, we are going to remove. So this is the sitting finally out. So since the sitting is out, we now have to loosen this bolt over here. This is the next bolt to remove. So after we remove this bolt, finally the camber will be out. In some case, this bolt might be loose, and if it's loose, the same effect you get when you have a bad control arm is the same effect you get when you have a loose bolt holding the control arm. So though this guy is not too tight, it's not too tight. Then the bolt is finally out. This is for this. Man, it has scattered a lot. We don't even need to knack, you can just push out. See, this is the control arm. It's damaged. But assuming you lose and it's still strong, you just have to hit from this area and it will pull out. So this is it. Okay, so we are now going to purchase another. This is the camber bushing. It's good. Camber bushing is, though it's kind of wicked. But I know it's still good. So we are only going to replace the control arm. So this is the new one. To install, you place like this, not like this, because it won't enter because of this iron over. So you are going to oil and you hit in. I've just applied the oil. After you have applied oil, so we have to now position the camber to hit in. So this is how you face it like this. You face it like this up, because this place is up also, and then we are going to hit in. So you hit at this place, but if it's strong to enter, That means you have to place something inside this place in order not to compress this. Well, if it's soft, then you can hit it. But if it's strong, place something over here in order not to compress this place, thereby making it difficult to put your boat inside. It's easy as that to install. So after that, we are going to bring this guy and we place over here aligned. And the next is to install back. To install back, you first of all put this over here and you place your boat. Can see what I'm doing. Oil the boat for smooth tightening. It's now well tighted. Okay. So after that, we are going to put this engine sitting over here, which is this. So this is it. Okay. Then we are going to bring the jack down. So since it has guided, then we now remove totally. So everything is still intact, you can see. So we now have to tighten this and then tighten the under. It's now well tightened. Okay, so let's pull the bogent. This is the bogent. Well tightened. Okay, let's move into this. All is now tighted. See you in the next video.